Hello and welcome to another Nicomedia something. I wish you all a nice Sunday, and I just want to show you shortly my new tool. And this is I think I mentioned it in my last tutorial that I made that in N8N. I made a C4D help, so a C4D helper. So if you put in the chat here a question about Cinema 4D, like how do I create a sphere or something else, and it will tell you exactly how to do something, or if you need a code or a Python code or something else, it will show you everything. And but I don't want always to go in this N8N here, so I tried to make a website for this, so in a web app. And this is what I did today. So my Sunday was this one. I created here under you see Nicomedia T tools. So these tools I made until now. So these are the official tools. I have some private tools, but it's nothing of interest for you, I think. And here's the C4D helper. And when I click on it, make it bigger here. You see, it's a simple chat thing, and here we put in our question. So yeah, let's say see how to create a sphere. Okay, let's wait. It goes now to N8N, asks the agent, and brings back the answer here. Brief summary, blah blah blah, step-by-step instructions. You see, everything is nice. What's important here in this chat is if you have another question what has nothing to do with this one, you have to reload the site so that the memory from the agent will be cleared and you get a new session with. Otherwise, you would get the memory from the thing. So I want to show you this. I reload the site and let's say, please create me a code or write me a code. Write me a code for a Python tag which selects every second point of an object. Let's see if what we get. Which I think which is which with T or without T. Which okay, so enter. Let's see what it tells us. And it should come something. Okay, here we have the code. We have the it's in German now. Yeah, but sometimes normally it should answer this question. The question was, but in this case it does not. Let's see. Let's try it again. Copy this question. Reload this. Otherwise, I have to, this is not. It's just let's say a beta version, but it should work normally. Yeah, now it's in English. You see? Okay, so when it's something like this happens, just write it again, and so it will work. And the problem is, if I have now another question and I don't reload this, let's say now I want to ask how to create a sphere. How to create a sphere? It will create a sphere with Python code. And this is of course not what we want. You see, now we have here how to create a sphere, and it shows you how to can create with a Python tag a sphere. So this is not what we want. So every time when you have a new question, you have simply to reload this one, and then you can ask your new question. Uh, let's say how to create a cube standing on his tip. So I don't know how to spell this, but I think you know what I mean. So that it stands on one point, and It should be so the rotation 45 degrees, zack, zack, zack. And let's see what this does. Okay, we have it here. Set the rotation X to 45, set the rotation Z to 45. Uh, exactly what we want. If you need an Express or Python script, automatic rotation, if you provide it, so let's see what it does. I test it now with you. So yes, please, please Python tag. Yes, please Python. Maybe this is enough. Okay, this could be, yeah, it's then set rotation to 45 degrees. So we have here that this documentations as well. This is nice. Huh? Okay, this should work so far. Okay, this is all. I would just wanted to show you this. Maybe you can use it. And if you use it and you get some errors or something else, please let me know under my email address or so, or under the comments. The email address you will find on my website, so Nicomedia.at. So when you go just back, Nicomedia.at, and here somewhere you will find to, yeah, contact me. Here you can contact me. And the email address is info@nicomedia.at. So this is okay. That's it. I wish you all a wonderful rest of Sunday and hope you're with me in my next tutorial. And I have then in another thing what I want to show you, but this is making do a new video for this video frame insert. That this is a thing for shorts on YouTube. Normally, you cannot use YouTube thumbnails on shorts, but there is a way, and I will show you in the next video how to do this. Okay, bye bye, and have a wonderful rest of Sunday. All the best here from Vienna. Tschüss.